Greetings from Huiyaolaser. My name is Tiffany. I am Sales Director of YaoLaser Technology Luoyang Co. Limited. So in previous episode, I demonstrate one of our client battery module pack production factory. So in today's episode, there's one battery module pack production line is about to shipping. So before shipping, I'm gonna give you another episode of demonstration. So without further ado, let's go. So this part is the battery module assembly part. Usually for the module assembly part line, the first workstation will be the battery cell online, and then second one will be the OCV sorting. OCV sorting is operators will have the battery to be detected by the machine. It will testing for the voltage, for the inner resistance to make sure the battery is meet for the requirement. And also we will have like polarity detection and flip. If the battery polarity is not fit for the formula of the product design, it will directly go flip. So once the battery is being OCV tested and the polarity detected, the operator will transfer the battery into here. This area is how the operators applied liquid glue or strip glue on this table. And then when the battery's glue is being applied, the operator will transfer the battery cell along with the glue on top of this pressing table. So on top of this pressing table, we usually will provide this kind of the green tray or pallet. We will have the battery on the top of the green tray, and then the operators will pressing the buttons over here to turn on this machine. And then this machine will actually give like specific pressing number to press all the battery cell together into one module. When the battery module is being pressing, the machine will directly automatic transfer the battery module into the middle part. That's the double speed chain. When the battery module is being pressing, the operators usually will install one end plate at the beginning and also another end plate at the end. And also they will install two steel built or sometimes three or sometimes plastic. It depends on the product design. When the battery module is being installed, they will directly go into the middle part of the double speed chain. We are using this false battery module to do some tests on this whole line. So usually we will providing this kind of fixture for the battery module as well. Sometimes we will receive like a lot of questions like, we have like different kind of battery design. Can you compatible with this? The answer is definitely yes. We actually have different kind of location hole on the top of the fixture, so it will just like support different kind of design or different kind of formula of your product. You can give a closer look of this one. Here, over here, we have like different location pin over here, and it will support different kind of product design. When the battery module is being installed in the double speed chain, the first workstation we designed for the battery module is battery terminal pole photography. So we will have this CCD, or we call it camera, to track all the battery module terminal pole coordinate, and then we will share the coordinate data to the rest of the workstation. So right after the terminal pole photography workstation, the next one will be, sometimes you have the battery module being installed in some places, they will have some dust on the top of the battery module terminal pole. So in case we can have the best laser welding quality, we will usually have this laser cleaning of this terminal pole. So usually we will have like 200 watts to clean the terminal pole. And then once the whole battery module is being cleaned, this is the workstation for the operators to install the bus bar or CCS on the top of the terminal pole over here. But like I said, this is just for testing for the whole line. This is for not for real. So when the operators install like one bus bar into the positive negative terminal pole or CCS, this battery module will automatically directly transfer to the most important workstation in the whole line, which is laser welding. Usually, we actually receive like a lot of questions from the client. Hey, what is the capacity of your line? What is the efficiency of your line? So this is the whole part that determines the capacity. For example, we will have like 4 pressing head or one pressing head, and also usually we will provide like 6,000 watts laser with along with IPG brand or GW brand, or if you have any other brand requirement, we can also do that customization for you as well. So the battery module will directly go into this workstation and being laser weld. When the laser welding is done, this is kind of like EOL testing. For example, we can design for your operator to testing for the laser welding quality, or there's some dust on the laser welding, the operator can clean the terminal pole, something like that. And also this part, you can actually do the EOL testing. We'll have EOL testing cabinet over here. The operators will connect the negative and the positive to test the discharge and charge, all those kind of testing in here. So if you want us to providing those EOL testing cabinet for you, you can just tell us, hey, what kind of item you need to test for this stage. And then when the battery module, this is one we're just like finished, but this is also for testing as well. Yeah, this is one battery module we've been testing for the whole production line. So when the battery module is being doing EOL testing and then post-welding detection, this is the end part of the module line. So usually we will have like a big crane on the top of this line. It will directly transfer the battery module to enter the lower pack case. So now let's get into the second part of this line, which is battery pack assembly line. So that's why usually we will provide this kind of heavy load chain for the whole battery pack transfer. So usually the operators will install all the components on the pack. And then for this client, the first workstation for the pack line, this is liquid glue applying machine. So we received from the client that if we actually want to apply the liquid glue on the lower pack case, so they want to improve the pack assembly efficiency. So that's why we designed this kind of pack glue applying equipment. We have like also when the operators were pressing the button, and then we will apply the liquid glue on the lower pack case. Okay, so we will provide light. There's a light on the top of the shell to give to make the operators to work in the really good environment. Okay, over here, and then this is the whole pack line, and also this pack line, the length of the module line and the pack line is sometimes the questions that we receive from the client the most. Like, what is the length? What is the width of your line? So here is the answer that everything can be customized. For example, this line is straight, right? So if your battery factory is not that kind of long enough, we can do this in circle as well. So the line design is basically just as per your request. So in short, this is Huiyaolaser technology battery module pack production line. So if you have any questions, please send a message to this email, and also you can directly reach out to me by WhatsApp over here. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in next episode. Bye!